Hey creative entrepreneurs and AI innovators. Let's be honest, you're a person with incredible talent, but the moment you think about building your own website, you probably feel a knot in your stomach. The endless hours of coding, the confusing design tools, and the stress of getting it all perfect can be a nightmare. Ending up spending weeks and weeks with an almost finished website. It's time to change that. In our last video, we used AI to craft your perfect AI-powered service offer. Now, how do you make sure clients can easily find you, understand your value, and hire you? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage two powerful AI website builders to launch an online portfolio for your freelance AI-powered services. Whether you're a graphic designer, a social media manager, or just want to get started making money online, we'll explore both a free and a paid way using two cutting-edge AI tools and create a professional website portfolio in just minutes, using nothing but simple, plain English. And here's the best part. I've teamed up with one of the providers to get you an exclusive 20% off on top of their current discounts. So make sure you stick around until the very end so you can take advantage of this deal. If you're new to AI Inspired Shifter, welcome. I'm David. We cut through the AI noise, showing solopreneurs, freelancers, and new entrepreneurs practical, actionable ways AI can deliver real business outcomes, saving you time, speeding up workflows, saving cost, making money with AI, and honest AI tool reviews and comparisons so you pick the right tools for your needs. If you're ready to transform your business with AI, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out. Why is an AI website builder a game changer for your AI-powered service? Because it removes all the traditional barriers to getting online. Think about it. No coding required. Drag and drop interfaces combined with AI generation mean you don't need to learn HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, saving you hours of design work. It's cost-effective and mobile-ready. This means you can focus on your AI-powered services while AI handles the heavy lifting of building your digital storefront. So let's stop stressing about the tech and start building. Now, this is just a demo to show you how easy it is to get your website. You'll need to tailor it to your specific needs. Demo 1. Get started. First, we'll go in our description below and grab the 20% discount. You will then see this page here, and here you can see extra 20% off applied at the checkout. So we go further down, and then here you've got three different options: premium, business, cloud, startup, and you get 3 months for free. On top of that, it's only $2.99 per month. You get 25 websites, 2 mailbox, free domain for 1 year, and a safe SSL website. I would recommend you to choose the cheapest plan. That's enough to get started. Choose plan. Here you can choose how many months you want to get the hosting for. Continue. Here you will see the discount is already applied. You just put in your details, continue, add your card details, and submit your payment. Once you're signed up, you will see an option that you can create a new website, then choose a hosting or website builder to begin the magic. Now you can let it create with AI, or they also have pre-made templates that you can pick from. They have different beautiful website templates that you can use, thousands of different options. This time we're going to choose the AI option. Go to my cheat sheet, we can copy the prompt, paste that in, hit create a website. Now it's making the magic. And this prompt is specifically tailored for a social media management portfolio. And look guys, I didn't do nothing. It just created this website out of full prompt. Here we have the website, so the portfolio, the work experience, some testimonials, options of the portfolio. Here you can also even put your email where they can submit an inquiry. You've got the social icons ready to go. So you've got everything here. And you can change to the about page. So you see, this is amazing. Graphic design, creative designs. This is a great website already. Get in touch. You can ask it to create it again if you're not happy with it. You can also change it to mobile version to see how it looks on mobile. You can change the colors of the website itself if you're not happy with the colors that it's using. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I like blue. Continue. We can do all sorts of edits here. It helps you to set it up, edit heading text, update images, edit graph text, gives you a step-by-step process. You can add elements, buttons, tags, videos, galleries. It's just a drag and drop. The different pages. You've got the different website style where you can change the colors, the fonts, the buttons, the animations. the AI tools that you can use as well to generate images, to write for you, to make a page, change the section itself, to write a blog, to create product details, do some SEO as well. AI logo maker. Here you can change your logo. You can upload as well an image. And if you want to create a logo like I showed you on the last part, you can go to Gemini, stunning modern logo for David's generate image. Really simple prompt. Could have added a bit more details here. There you go. Now you've got logo. Go to background remover. Photo room is a really good one. Basically drag it in here, download it, boom, just like that. Go back to your website, load file, choose the files that you want to import, choose our logo, select. Now you've got your logo. That's how simple it is. Yeah, obviously you want to edit the buttons, add the web page, where it should lead to, which section it should lead to. You can add email address, a phone number. You want to add your social links. You also want to set up your form. Here you can set up sending your form or connect the form that you already have and choose where it should send it to. It's really very intuitive, very easy to use. As you can see, once you're ready to go, you can connect it to a domain. You can choose a custom domain. You can preview it. But if you're happy, you can also have a store, do all sorts of cool features. You can export it to WordPress. If you're happy with this, WordPress is really amazing to use because you can add plugins. Go live for now. This is just a demo. Then you can change your domain, visit your website, and boom, just like that. Now you've got your website ready to go. This is awesome. It's a really cool website. Obviously, you'll need to tweak things around so that it matches to you. Demo 2, building a free website. What if you're looking for a completely free option to start? Let me introduce you to Codedesign.ai. It has beautiful templates that you can use. I think I'm gonna go with this one for this time. You can choose it and customize using AI. Go back to my cheat sheet, copy, paste it in here. It has too many characters. Make it shorter. Continue. You can change the name of designs and create your custom website. And now it's doing it all for you. I'm doing nothing. Boom, just like that. You've got your portfolio. Okay, I guess I'm from France. Logo branding, web design, social graphic, contact us. Wow, this is amazing. Get in touch. Beautiful. You can change the theme as well to light or dark. I think I'm gonna go with light. You can edit the pages, regenerate the whole site, change it to mobile version, tablet. You can change the theme here, edit the pages. So we save the website. We can change the logo if we want. Here, I recommend you to toggle on advanced mode. That allows you to do way more things here. We want to upload an image of our logo. We want to drag this in here. Boom, just like that. And now we can make it smaller. We can delete this one. Where's delete element? Oh, that's much better. That's it. And then now we can go back to the home. We've got now our personal logo. You can add here the social icons. Again, here you can add your link of your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You can also add a link to your Calendly or to your Google Meets. They can book a call with you. You can also change the page here if you want to go to contact, generate now if it hasn't generated a contact us page. Okay, we need to upgrade in order to do that, so just be aware of that. But this is already pretty awesome. Publish, just publish it. You can add a domain, a custom domain. You can add it to WordPress as well. Publish it, and boom, just like that, your free portfolio website. This is the link. Like I said, you can add a custom domain. You can go to GoDaddy, get yourself a custom domain. This is just all an example. So you can get one for $16 per year, $2, $1, plenty of different options. You notice how quickly both platforms generated a solid foundation for your site, giving you options depending on your needs and budgets. And obviously you'll have to tweak things around here and there that you're happy with it, with the website itself. But as you saw, there are AI tools that can help you to generate the website and the content really fast. And you can use also Gemini or Google AI Studio to help you create content. In just a few minutes, you've seen how AI transforms the complex task of website building into a simple, intuitive process. You now have the power to create a stunning online home for your AI-powered services, attracting clients 24/7. Your next mission is to take these insights, sign up for an AI website builder, and start building your own professional online presence. Use our referral link from Hostinger below and get yourself yourself an extra 20% discount. This is your digital storefront, your 24/7 salesperson, and your hub for attracting clients. What are you waiting for? To make this even easier, I've compiled everything into the AI Website Builder Blueprint. This free guide gives you the exact prompts that we use today, plus a framework to build, customize, and launch your professional AI service website. Grab your free copy from the link below. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Inspired Shifter for more practical AI strategies, AI tool reviews, and tutorials. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. I'm really curious, what website have you built? Please add your link in the comments below. I'd love to see it. Let me know if you want me to make a video how you can automate your social media content creation and schedule it with AI, saving you hours every week. Make sure to watch this next video. Until next time.